welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about beauty secrets. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars on skincare products that promise to turn back the clock only to be disappointed by the lack of results? Well, you're not alone. Many of us are constantly searching for the fountain of youth, hoping to unlock the secrets to everlasting beauty. But what if I told you that the key to looking younger lies not in the latest serum or cream, but in understanding and harnessing the power of time itself? For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hexcodes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We got the images from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. First step, we will insert the image. Insert, picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click insert. We drag the white dot until it meets the border of our slide. Now we want to insert another image. Insert, picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click insert. And we put it in the desired position. We go to picture, format, picture borders. We choose with eyedropper the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Picture borders weight 6 points. Now we will add 2 rectangles that will frame the title. We go to insert, click shapes, click rectangle, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape, format, size, height. It's about 7 cm or 2.75 inches if you have inches in your settings. We put it in the desired position and we go to shape, format, shape, fill, eyedropper and choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, the second color, shape, outline, no outline. Then right click, copy, right click, paste, and we change the dimensions, the height at 6 cm. It's about 2.36 inches if you have inches in your settings, and we change the color of this rectangle. Shape, format, shape, fill, eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area and we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert our title. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose from home, ribbon, commercial, script BT font and size 44. We choose color with eyedropper, the last color from the left side outside of the design area. Unlocking the Elixir of Time, beauty secrets revealed. And now we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from home, ribbon, commercial, script BT again, size 20. Color, we choose with eyedropper the third color from the left side outside of the design area and we write our presenter's name, Martha G. Santos. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put the animations. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. First we go to the big image with roses, animations, entrance fade, start with previews, duration 1. We go to the second image with a woman, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.75. We go to the light orange rectangle, entrance floating, start after previous, duration 1, effect options float up as it is. We go to the orange rectangle, entrance floating, start after previous, duration 1, effect options float up as it is. We go to the title, entrance floating, start after previous, duration 1, effect options float up as one object as it is. We go to the presenter's name, entrance floating, start after previous, duration 1, effect options float up as one object as it is. And now we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow button to see the result. And that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!